I am excited for day 3 of the Kyra sew along. Let's jump right in. Now once you have finished sewing your back bodice, you need to clip into the V section so that the bodice will lay nicely. Alright, so now that we have sewn our neckline and our armholes, we're going to turn the bodice right sides out. I am using a safety pin to help me. Okay, so we are going to move on to sewing the side seams. Lay your bodice right sides up. Cross the back bodice over each other. Next, you're going to fold the front bodice onto the back bodice so that the main fabrics are right sides together. Pin at the side seams. You will notice that when you pin, you will automatically begin to pin into the lining. I know that you really want to continue, but guess what? We will stop here for today.